So today I am going to show you how I am teaching my students. What is my lesson plan? Actually, I used to personalize the lesson according to the student. Like what is the level of, so daily I have to make a lesson plans. So I'm just sharing my PPT with you all, that how I am teaching my students. So do let me know whether you like it or not. Okay, just hold on. Here it is. So here it is. So what I'm going to today, I'm going to teach them kitchen vocabulary, and we will be having some speaking practice and story retelling. They have to retell the story. Whatever there is I give a story, and first they read the story, and after that they have to retell the story in their own words, like that. And we will be using the vocabulary that we have learned in that story. So in this way they used to revise the vocabulary once, twice, thrice, so that they can remember it. So yeah, the next I'll show you. So first I used to ask, how are you today, and I give some options so that they don't just stick to just one thing, like I'm okay, I'm good, I'm fine. So I daily used to give some options and ask them to choose it, what fits for you today. So in this way they used to remember, they memorize some new phrases daily. Okay, so today I will be talking about the cooking skills, means kitchen vocabulary. So I used to give some pictures, and first we will talk about peeling, chopping, slicing that are used in the kitchen. So we will talk about this, and they have to make a sentence on that. Whenever you learn a new word, it should be in a sentence. You should read with the context, so student can understand it and it will be in their head for more time. So here one picture is there where the boy is making something, means he is making tea. Now they will describe this picture, what he is doing. He is stirring the tea, like that. So in this way also they will learn some new words. Now here he is straining the tea, so with the strainer. So again they will learn the name of this utensil and what. By picture also is a good thing to learn, as you know, everyone knows that. Again there is a picture where he is sieving the flour. Okay, so like this we will talk about this picture, we will discuss about it. He will say something, what he is doing, then I will add something. In this way it's not like that only the student will speak. I will also be discussing, okay, he is sieving the flour, I think he is making some cake. Then he will add something, yes ma'am, he is making some cake because there is butter and eggs also there. So he might be baking a cake, preparing the cake batter. Like this we both, student and the teacher, we both discuss about the discuss about the picture. It goes like that. Then this is the story. The same vocabulary we will be using, chopping, dicing, slicing, everything we will be using here in this story. And it is a funny story, like that girl Ria. You can see that girl Ria. Ria is cooking something and he has just messed up the kitchen. So in this way it's a funny story. Now we will be reading it. It will be like a shadowing practice. I will read it first with the expression, tone and the rhythm, and then the student will be copying it and repeating after me. So in this way the expressions, he will be not in robotic manner, he will not read it. Okay, so I have to encourage him to read in a natural way. Okay, in a natural way. So that is the main point of this story reading. And after that the story continues like this. And after that what happens, after this story ends, now the student have to retell the story in his own words. Whatever reading, whatever he remembers from the story, he will make his own story with all the take the help of this story and make again read one more picture where the boy is making a sandwich. Now again we will be talking about this picture step by step, or like what the boy is doing, he's spreading the green sauce on the bread. Now again he will learn a phrase like spreading the sauce on the bread. Then he's putting or adding slices of cucumber. Okay, slices of cucumber. Now he's adding some onions, slice of onions, and then he's here you can see he's sprinkling the save, he's putting the save or sprinkling the save like this, and he has covered the sandwich with another bread. So like this he will tell me step by step every all the things. He will step by step explain the preparation of sandwich. In this way he will learn he will learn new phrases, new words. Okay, and speaking practice also will be improved. Now I have picked one more thing for today's lesson. Homonyms. Homonyms means having same spelling but different meanings. So again I have picked some basic words, bank, bat and ball. Now we will talk about it, we will make sentences on it. So student and the teacher both will discuss it, and we will try to find it more words. I have just given three, four words. I think one more is there. Yeah, there is one more, run. So I pick only just 4, and we will think of more words. I will encourage the student to come up with more new words. So in this way he will try to think, he will push his mind, he will force his mind to think some more words. Okay, so this is it. So this is what today I am going to teach my student, and this is last thank you, and this is a one hour session where I used to my student to speak more and more in English, and that's it. So just wanted to share what I am teaching, how I am teaching. So do tell me, give me your feedback, what do you think about it? Right? Okay, thank you so much.